Hello, my name is Kodaman. Today I want to show you how to write your first Android application. First of all, click Start a new Android Studio project, then select Empty Activity, then click Next. Here you write your app name. Write your project name on namespace. I will write my app as my first app. Also select minimum API level for minimum Android level to support. For now you may select Android 4.4 KitKat. Now click Finish to open your project. Wait for some time to give it time to sync lines for all file to be read. So I will wait. Now it ready to go. Now go to Resource File, select Layout, then open Activity main.xml. You will see the design screen. Now go to Text View tab by select Text View, then go to Attribute, go to Common Attribute, on text space, then edit words. I will write Hello I'm Kodaman. Now go to text size, and write 30 sp, to text style select B for bold text. At left side of design, drag image view to our design, select Android, select image you want, I will choose star. Now, let's set size of image, go to declared attributes, on layout width, let write 250px, and on layout height, write 250px. Now, connect our image on top of our screen. And then, to the right. And to left side. For the text view, connect it on bottom of image view. Now, set them to good position on our design, so to get nice view. Looks good, drag another text view to our design. Connect it to the bottom, to the left and right side of our design. On text, write, hello, this is my first Android app, am kindly good at it. Set text view to 25 sp. And connect middle text view on top of last text view. Arrange the design to get more good looking. Now, my application is ready to run. For now we should not deal with code yet, so press play on top right of the project. Don't forget to hit thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank for watching.